well, I don't know how long this is gonna last, but I am working on the camper. I've got a Ameri-Lite. It's like a 19 KD. It's a really cool camper. Anyway, this is what we found. We knew it had some floor damage. So, peeled up all the vinyl on here and got to where the bed was. We knew the floor was soft there and it was soft here and underneath the bed. But as you can see, like those trusses or joists or whatever they're called, the supports are like they got really wet. And so I'm in the process of demolition and then going back and putting we got all the stuff, everything but insulation. So this is a journey to fix this so we could take this on other journeys. Everything else works in this little camper. We bought it on Facebook Marketplace. They wanted $5,000. And once we saw that, we were ready to walk away, but we said $1,500. I said, it's worth $1,500. AC blows cold, everything else works. It's got a great bathroom. It comes with a cat. No, it's my cat. But got an issue. And it was also soft right here by the back door. And so I'm in the process of cutting it out. The rest of the flooring is great. It's solid, that I can tell. So I've got pictures of this, of the demobilization or demolition. And so that's where we're going to start. We're going to start. I've still got some more stuff to cut out and go back with some good stuff and make it a good camper again. You okay, cat? Anyway, let's follow this. Well, I got a little bit more done. Cleaned it up a little bit, but I've still got a long way to go. It is hard to get everything. Like, I spent more time going and fetching tools than actually doing work, and then finding this and finding that and finding this piece. And so I think I'm done gathering stuff for now. And I'll start the ripping some 2x4s to replace these joists or trusses or what have you. There's, like you can see, like there's supposed to be some right there. I've cut these out below here. You can see right there, it's cut. These are all cut out. I'm gonna cut those out. It's all going back with treated good wood. So it's a slow process, slower than what I had hoped. I didn't realize these supports were rotten until I got into it. Once I got into it, then I knew. So I wish I had a whole day just to dedicate to this, because I want to have this done in like 2 weeks, but there ain't no way. I've got a long way to go before I get there. Anyway, I'll keep you updated. 132. I'm mocking up. I don't know if I need 2 braces on either side or just 1, but okay, so I got 3 braces cut, and I'm gonna replace this one and the last 2 over there. Let's see what we got here. $49.5. I think I already got a board cut for that. Well, this is how I'm doing it. I've got 5 in here so far, and I need to cut this stuff out and get that stuff moved out, and then up underneath the refrigerator. Looks like that's going to be a chore to get to, but I think I can do it, no problem. Whew. But it's going together pretty decent, better than what I figured it would. My battery's about to die. I'm gonna have to go charge this GoPro. But all right, so now I gotta get some insulation in here and then start putting the pieces back of the decking. And I got some other things to do. I've got to clean up that whole edge around the corner, and I'm trying to figure out how to do that. Start date 11/10/23. Have encountered a lot of rot underneath the refrigerator, and then I cut the whole subfloor out underneath it, and fitting the first piece in. I'm gonna go cut the insulation. Dawson and I went and got all the insulation stuff we needed to finish this. I always start putting some flooring down. I've got some braces to do up against the end and put some insulation in, and the first subfloor will be back in. And that's my goal for today. I would like to have that done because this is a lot more technical than I want to feel like I've accomplished something besides just tearing crap up. So, and I didn't technically tear it up, it was tore up. I exposed it. But I've got a plan. There's a beam that comes this way, and it should be no problem at all. The second one, I don't know how far back the rot is. The rot goes up underneath the cabinets, maybe a little ways, I can't tell. But I did find I found something when I was tearing it all out. Bonus piece, and I think it's brand new. Brand new, never been used. So I can subtract that cost from the cost of the build. And it feels like it's still good. We'll see. Doesn't have a date on it. Hopefully this is the last piece. Besides some insulation we're missing, I think we're almost done. Screwing it all down, hitting some spray foam insulation, and then some liquid nail in some spots, and we'll be good. How sexy am I now? Look at this floor. That's right, it is solid. Ow, hit my head. But it is solid, and it is here, and it will never rot. I hope. Okay, so got the flooring. This piece right here is all I got left to do, is this part right here, and then this part of the flooring will be done, and then I got some trim work and some other things, and to paint a couple pieces that I messed up. Other than that, it was a long, hard road to get all this stuff done. It was a lot harder than what I thought it was going to be, but I was able to do it. One thing that I was able to use was one of these tools. And this isn't the one I use. I just literally got this one in the mail when I got done with all this. I was using one that I bought at a pawn shop for 10 bucks. It was an old piece of junk. Well, that's not even it either. I don't know where it's at. Here it is. I bought this one at a pawn shop for $10 to do this job, and honestly, without that style of tool, I would not have been able to do this. It really helped me trim pieces and cut pieces. Like when I used the spray foam, I'd use that blade to trim it off, and it made everything just so much easier. And there's so many uses for those saws. I guess that's what it is, a saw. Got a little bit more to do on the inside, and then I'm gonna go through the whole top and re-secure everything, go through all the fittings, and then underneath, some of these spots that I was having to get to, I had to cut the underlayer, and I've got stuff to fix the underlayer too. So, and after that, should be good. Ready to go camping. I was really wanting to use it this weekend, but I am not there yet, unless for some strange reason I get a day off tomorrow and I'm able to do the underlayer. The underlayer is the main thing that's keeping me from taking it. The top I can deal with, and the top I can fix while I'm camping, because I got everything and I don't really need any tools. I got portable tools now. So anyway, this has been a heck of an adventure. Really interesting and a lot of fun. And I tried to get as many pictures and document the best I could. I wasn't going to video the whole thing, but anyway, I'm ready to go camping.